Hey, my name is Anna Michelle Kelly, but you can call me Anna. I'm in the 10th grade, but I'm surprised I made it this far. I've had a bad life when I was 3 through 10, and the reason I'm on earth still today and not in the ground is because of Jehovah. I want to help those who have been through abuse are still in it. Most people don't believe that it's real, that kids can be depressed or traumatized by such things. And that's what happened to me with DHS. They didn't help me because they didn't believe me. My mom didn't believe that I was still going through depression. I want the kids that are going through this to know that they are loved and that they're not the only ones that has went through this. Okay. When I was 3, my daddy was taken from me. He went to jail because of a robbery. Even though it was evidence that proved that the bullet came from inside the car, my daddy still ended up going to jail. The last thing that I saw of my dad was his blood running down the steps into the basement. So no, I don't like cops or DHS, but I do want to help people, even if it means having to put my feelings aside for them. But now I'm happy. I live with my mom's best friend, and Mama don't keep in contact no more, but that's fine by me. I know how I need to treat my kids when and if I have it. So, thank you. Hope y'all enjoyed it. I read it different than what I had there, but